Zhuhai, Martinho, Montenegro. So just gonna walk down this street a little bit and tell you all about it in a minute. It's kind of cool looking already, right? Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so Zhuhai, Martinho, Maten. So let's just kind of take a look around a little bit. And you can also kind of see this cool looking building. So we're gonna basically go down that way. What we're also missing is there's more of it that goes this way. It goes all the way to almost to Gia Hill. But we're gonna go the other way. I don't always want to film up and down every single street, but I can definitely film parts of it. And then you can kind of see different spots, you know. Sometimes it's good just to kind of film in the middle of, you know, randomly whatever street I'm at. And you just go down one side or the other because, you know, sometimes people, they just start at one, you know, they never see the middle spot, you know. Not everybody sees every video all the way through. They might just kind of get an idea for. So anyways, we're on the Macau side. These are kind of marked by buildings that are about 5 stories high. So it's 1 story, that's G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then rooftops. So I love looking up at all the rooftops because you don't really know what's going to be up there because they're kind of makeshift. And like that one up on the corner, you can tell it's just kind of built there. There's like railing up there. Let me just kind of see if we can. It's like a beautiful building right there. Best moment. Looks nice. Barber shop. People are kind of hanging out today. And you got a little toy store there. This one is, this side there's like Child Star and it has like a nice balcony. There's our street again. Let's see here. Let's kind of take a look at this. So that's the corner of that one. This is a little bit that we did. And then we're just gonna go down a little bit further. So we're gonna go down this way. And I think I'm gonna end it pretty soon. There's some, there's this rooftop stuff up there again, and I just wanna show you some of this hanging wire stuff. See that? I think we'll just kind of focus on some interesting stuff as we see it. So I think I see some more kind of hanging wire as well. So there's some more for sure. And we got an alley coming up here too. More of that hanging wire. I thought that was an alley, but it's actually a boutique. I think we're gonna end it at this cross street, I think. There's always more to see, of course, everywhere you go, but it's a tiny little building, so it's like so small, right? Okay, so I think we're gonna end it shortly. Actually, over here is kind of interesting. There's so many interesting areas. That's the problem with Macau. There's always something cool around every corner. So actually, this is the street that we just saw, and was that one right there. But as you can see, every direction there's something kind of interesting to see. And this is the Cinema Alegria. And then we should end that one, but this is like the cinema that I just want to include it in here. Another interesting building there too. Yeah, so this cinema, there's like a used goods store down that area. So I filmed in there recently, so I like filming there, but I won't this time. So let's just end it right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.